is a set of screwdrivers made by Unior, perfect for professionals, hobbyists and handymen. The set comes in a convenient carrying case with a handle and is secured by 2 latches. A transparent top helps with identifying a missing tool. A custom, profiled insert keeps all the items neatly organized. In addition to rubberized areas, each screwdriver handle has an ergonomic shape, making the work more comfortable and fatigue-free. A hole at the bottom of a handle allows for easy attachment to a safety system or convenient storage. Blades are made from chromium vanadium steel, what makes them very robust. The set contains the following screwdrivers: 4 slotted, 2 Phillips and 3 positive. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.